right? I'm still gonna wait for, like, let me know when to skip so we're both spawning.
Oh yeah, of course. Yeah, he doesn't even wait for his teammate. He just clicks the door immediately. I went and double checked it.
Damn.
Yeah, he gets up to the door, clicks E, and that's it. It starts the cutscene. Skip.
Like, I don't understand this way of the co-op. They have to change the rules.
Mm.
While it's the rules like this, yeah, we can take it, but I'm hoping they change
Nice.
the rules so it involves both people having to, like, have the skill of it.
You have to show both at the door before entering.
Yeah.
Or they
Like,
just change it, show both people at the door, and that's where it ends.
I'm just looking for, like, host POV just has to wait for the other person, and then they both, like, press E at the same time type shit, and then
Mm.
go in. I'm sliding.
I don't know how you slid and I didn't, but it went up that miraculous. Yeah, I switched to my Black Widow chroma because I'm so tired of my E button not working on the other one. My practice run, I picked up every fucking stick I saw.
What's your other keyboard?
Some mini keyboard Dawson gave me, 69% or whatever, but the E
Uh,
button's all janky.
Unforge.
Which it's fine for like when I'm playing Val and stuff. I don't ever have issues or input delay or anything that I've noticed. But when I was spam clicking there, it's like some of my key clicks weren't registering.
See, I feel like that happens sometimes with mine, but I have a G Pro. I'm running out of stamina. That was bad. I had a rock.
Oh, my slide kind of saved itself. I didn't see how they get up here. Over here? I didn't see it. What a slide.
Did you die?
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay. I'm cut.
No, we just found out. I'm cut. Shit. We went and watched the other guy's video, and it doesn't even show. His teammate is off his mini map like before this point, like, before they die, and so we're just like, fuck it. If I don't have to be there, then start going as fast as you can.
I missed my stick. I'm pissed.
Well,
I had a tree.
same. Pulling out that damn log.
I got a good slide at the end.
Oh, it almost took me right to the
Took
fucking
fall
cave.
damage. In mansion.
I didn't get the no fall damage.
In cave. Really good slide. But it ended me in a bad spot.
Oh, I got that fucking nice spot. Let's go.
I got through crouch slide tunnel.
Pretty good slide for the very first one.
I got through second crouch slide tunnel. Got a good slide in the lava room.
God damn, you're
I'm at the end of lava room.
I got the first crouch slide. You were so far ahead. Not so far, but got a whole room ahead. Almost a room and a half now.
I'm getting stopped by bodies though. That was so bad. I almost lunged off the map.
That would have been tragic. Oh, I should have left the slide. You know that path on the right?
Yeah.
I would have surfed that motherfucker like a beaut.
My book slide at the end is not good.
No.
No. I attempted for the fucking stick through the wall and it did not work. Oh, we run it. That's a 736.
Shoo.
They could have been much better though.
Much improved. Yeah, you beat me by 30. We're probably looking around that 8-minute time again. For me, at least, being there. Oh, just let me know when to quit out. Actually, I'm gonna go practice that tunnel thing a couple times
Yeah.
while I wait for you. In the odd case that I ever do that. Yeah.
It's just, hey, you wanna load in this game real quick while I speedrun it? Okay.
You get to put your name on a world record.
Yeah, it's like, huh? The time's gonna get lowered a lot over time, but it's like nobody's really playing category right now.
Yeah. Man, I did good on sticks.